Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to discuss about the factors of a quadratic expression. For you to know how to go about factors of a quadratic expression, you must first know what a quadratic expression is. Okay, so an expression is quadratic if one of each term is raised to the second power. If one of each term is raised to the second power. So this means that a quadratic expression, this is an expression whose highest power is raised to 2. So for example, we have got ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is an example of a quadratic expression. So in this example, a is always the coefficient of x squared. And then b is always the coefficient of what? X. C is always a constant. This is very important for you to know. Okay, so now, when you want to factorize an expression using factors of a quadratic expression, there are steps which you must know. The steps are 4. There are only 4 which you must know by heart, so that you can ease your life as far as quadratic expression is concerned. Okay, first step, you must find the product, which is the first step. Find the product. So you can find the product by multiplying a times c, by multiplying a and c. That is your product. So your answer is AC. And then step 2, find the factors of the product of a and c whose sum is b. Step 2 simply means that find or look for the factors of your product. Remember that that product is just a number which you obtained after you multiplied a and b. Sorry, a and c. So that's the product which you obtained. Now, with that product which you are having, look for a factor. Remember that factors, these are numbers that can go into a given number without leaving any remainder. So that product might have a lot of factors. Now, we are interested in only 2 factors of your product, so that when you multiply them, they give you that product. When you add or subtract, they'll give you what? B. Okay, very simple there. Let me repeat myself. Look for 2 numbers. Look for 2 factors of your product. When you multiply them, they give you your product. When you add or subtract them, they must give you what? Your sum, which is B. Very simple. Thereafter, we go to step 3. Step 3 saying, only saying that express the terms using the factors in step 2. In step 2. So meaning that the factors which we have obtained in step 2, we must express them as factors now. We must now indicate them into our equation by substituting where there is b, we replace with what? The factors. Very simple there. Very simple. When you are done replacing where there is b by the factors, what can you do now? It will take us to the last step, which is step 4. Step 4 is saying factorize by grouping terms with the common factor. You can now factorize the algebraic expression. Very simple calculation, very simple concept of mathematics. Thank you for watching this video, and watch the next video concerning the examples of a quadratic expression. Thank you.